In this video, we're diving into the essential guide on how to withdraw money from Gumroad. So, to kick things off, it's essential to understand that Gumroad gives you some flexibility with payout options. You've got the avenues of getting paid through bank, Stripe, and PayPal. They're offering you a trio of choices to suit your preference. Now, let's explore each option further. Okay, so if you're eyeing the bank account route for those prompt payouts, here's the deal. Make sure you've got a valid government-issued photo ID and proof of residence in your country. And if you're doing business, your business needs to be registered in the same country where you reside. So having a bank account in another country won't cut it unless you prove you live there. And just a quick note, direct bank payouts are only up for grabs if you're living in specific countries. You can check out the list on your screen or on their website. Now, let's talk about setting up Stripe. Connecting your Stripe account enables you to effortlessly receive payments for credit card transactions. The exciting part is that this feature is accessible in most countries where Stripe operates. Lastly is if you're contemplating the use of PayPal to withdraw funds from your Gumroad, the process is quite straightforward. You need to ensure that you have an individual or business PayPal account without any restriction. And it's worth noting that PayPal payouts from Gumroad are consistently processed in USD and typically reflect in your account within a reasonable 1 to 3 business days. Now, let's dive into the reality of the situation. If you're finding roadblocks with the options of connecting a bank account, utilizing Stripe, or relying on PayPal due to country-specific limitations, it's important to acknowledge that unfortunately, Gumroad currently doesn't provide an alternative payment methods for individuals facing these challenges. So, it's advisable to stay updated with Gumroad's announcement for any changes or additional options that may become available in the future. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.